VIRTEX is the SIR's data and clinical quality analytics registry. Essentially, VIRTEX is the registry that we're going to be using as a specialty society within interventional radiology to gather the data we need to prove why what we do is important. VIRTEX can help improve patient outcomes, can help argue for reimbursement for new procedures that we do as well as existing procedures. It's also a pathway for us to do better research in IR with large population health databases that can really help strengthen our argument for why interventional radiology is the best medical specialty out there and provides the best, most cost-effective care. The registry space is being increasingly relied on by the FDA and by CMS to make decisions on post-market indication extensions as well as reimbursement decisions. And if we don't have this data to be able to support why we should get reimbursed or why the devices we use should continue to stay on the market, then it's going to become really difficult for us to continue as a practice to defend the things that we're doing because we don't have the data to support it. So VIRTEX is really for any type of practice from large academic medical centers to single physician OBLs. VIRTEX not only provides data for things like reimbursement and research, but also for quality improvement. Using VIRTEX, a single provider to single site can get all the information that that provider needs for the quality of care that they're providing to their patients, and then compare that across different organizations or different hospital healthcare systems to see how they stack up across the best performing sites. With that type of information, individuals can really implement very, very high level quality improvement projects to raise the level of care that they're providing to their patients. At an academic level, you can imagine a site that maybe has 4 or 5 different hospitals can leverage this type of system to make sure that the quality of care that they deliver across their entire healthcare system is the same. But then it also provides these large academic centers the data they need to do high-level research to be able to advance what we do in interventional radiology and prove that our therapies are just as good or better than other existing therapies that are out there. Getting involved in VIRTEX is fairly straightforward. It's really just getting the standardized reports in your site, customizing them to what you need, and then being able to work with IT to get that data pulled. One of the beautiful things about the VIRTEX registry is that it relies on automated data extraction. Many other registries really rely on a manual data abstractor. But with VIRTEX, it's straightforward because you just do the things that you normally do, dictate out your procedure, and with our EHR integration, that data automatically gets pulled out of your EHR along with things like lab data, medication data, ICD-9, ICD-10 codes, and we can then automatically import that into the VIRTEX database where you have access to it. You can look at it and you can see exactly what needs to be done. So from the standpoint of getting involved, really just start by contacting VIRTEX at sirweb.org and we'll help you get through the process because it is not just a turn on a switch thing, it is something that will work with you to get implemented, and that way you can realize the value of your data.